patent is an intellectual and geographical ownership that it gives you. It is very, very important that the 3 T's, technology, training, and transfer, happen, and just not the patent. What you and I refer to as a trade secret is how do you really do it? We have manufacturers who have been making for decades. The question is, will they be able to adopt the technology and manufacture it? The regulator would have to be assured of 3 things: consistency, predictability, and adherence to the specifications and regulations.
What about raw materials? How much of an obstacle would they be?
Because it's a modern vaccine, the amount of vaccine that's injected is actually quite small.
As things stand today, will waiving property rights disincentivize research and affect medicine and healthcare?
The government regulates. We must also understand that it's a highly regulated industry. Without regulation, we would not have been able to save so many lives in the pharmaceutical industry.
All right.